I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good chicken salad, only way. Start by poaching chicken gently in simmering water, then cool it fully before chopping. Use uniform bite-sized pieces for the best texture. Season the chicken lightly with salt and pepper while it cools, and prepare your mix-ins on the side. Keep flavors balanced and textures varied so every forkful is satisfying and easy to enjoy. Combine crunchy and creamy mix-ins to build classic chicken salad flavor and mouthfeel. Chop apples, celery, and toasted nuts into similar sizes so every bite has balance. Add finely chopped red onion or shallot sparingly to avoid overwhelming the blend. Toss the chicken with mix-ins gently so pieces stay intact, and taste as you go to adjust seasoning and proportions for a perfectly balanced result. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanups effortless, and it even navigates under counters while you prep. It's a little luxury that saves time between meals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make a dressing that complements, not overpowers, your chicken salad by mixing mayo with plain yogurt for creaminess and tang. Brighten the mix with lemon juice and season with salt and pepper, tasting as you go. Stir in finely chopped fresh herbs like dill or parsley for aromatic lift. Keep the dressing slightly thinner than you think you need so the salad stays moist without becoming gluey in the bowl or sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.